So finally, 5 off campus drive is out, and one more thing, Infosys in step summer internship is out. EY analyst role, associate data analyst role is just announced. If you are not watching this video, because you have to don't skip that part which I am going to tell you, क्योंकि उसमें इतना ज़्यादा होगा कि भाई अगर वो चीज़ ऐड नहीं करते हो ना तो रेज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग के 0 चांसेस होंगे. तो प्लीज़ टू प्रिवेंट दिस, प्लीज़ वॉच वीडियो टिल एंड. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रूपिक जस्ट अनाउंस 25,000 per month Bangalore location opportunity, and the role, if you see that program management business development relationship student can apply, because this is trainee type role. BE BTA MBA is eligible. Communication interpersonal skill is compulsory. You have to just click on this link, but before that I want to tell you about JD, what is written there, what domain you have to put in resume, because this is mega internship is going on. And if you scroll down, that business associate intern is there, and sales reporting, ठीक है, रिलेशनशिप, ये टाइप का रोल होने वाला है. तो इफ यू सी हियर, ऑल यू हैव टू मेंशन दिस इन रेज्यूमे एंड की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में कुछ चीजें रीड करोगे तो समझ आएगा कि तुम्हारे रिलेटेड ही है. दैट्स वाई BE BTech MBA इज एलिजिबल, बट हियर इज रिटन फीमेल कैंडिडेट इज प्रीफरेंस. तो if you are a male you can also apply, but female को ज़्यादा इसमें वैल्यू मिलने वाली है. So what is written key responsibilities, if you see key requirement, then only interpersonal skill is compulsory, but you have to add many things which I already told you, like sales से related जितना आता है, program management, business development. If you have knowledge about these domains, put all domain in resume related to these. ठीक है, इसके बाद shortlisting हो जाएगी, because this is 25,000 per month opportunity and most probably highly chances this is work from home. ठीक है, keep in mind. बैंगलोर लोकेशन दी थी है, बट मे बी तो मैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. सो प्लीज डोंट स्किप, डोंट मिस दिस हायरिंग. अप्लाइड एज सून एज पॉसिबल. नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी, इन्फोसिस इन स्टेप समर इंटर्नशिप, बैंगलोर लोकेशन इज देयर, बट मैनी स्टूडेंट्स इज एलिजिबल. अंडर ग्रेड, पोस्ट ग्रेड, इंजीनियरिंग, मैनेजमेंट, आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स, साइंस, लॉ, मेडिकल, ऑल इज एलिजिबल, एंड इवन pursuing candidate is eligible in bachelor, master, PhD. If you see here, 8 week of duration of this internship, and what to add in resume you already know, because if you see all IT domain is compulsory. Anyone programming with cloud technology, cyber security, AI, ML, software development, software engineering domain, GitHub, HDLC, methodology, agile methodology, waterfall. Put all these domain, database, web technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are compulsory. Here is not written, but this is compulsory. Please put all domain resume and follow this criteria, and have strong academic fundamental or project experience. If you have, then please briefly explain in resume and put your updated resume and apply it as soon as possible. This is mega internship opportunity. They are providing. So please don't miss. Summer internship होने वाली है, and on the May you will see the joining letter. ठीक है, applied as soon as possible. Last date is very soon closing, so please apply it as soon as possible. So EY just announced biggest mega hiring analyst, associate analyst role is there. 12th of January they posted, but very soon this is also closing. If you scroll down, that BE BTech is not eligible, only ME MTech is eligible in finance background. Basically 0 to 1 year of experience is compulsory. MS Office suite all is compulsory. If you scroll down, all interpersonal skill is compulsory. If you even read responsibilities, here is mostly interpersonal skill plus finance knowledge is compulsory. So what to do? Apply manually or take referral? You have to first update your resume, put all these domain which is written, responsibilities, requirement, टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड टूल स्किल पार्ट से सारी अपनी इंटरपर्सनल स्किल और डोमेन, टेक्निकल डोमेन पुट करो रेज्यूमे में. देन गो टू जॉब आईडी. इफ यू सी 1673383 is your job ID. Take referral from LinkedIn. Go to EY company page, then connect with the employees and send them the request ID and send your updated resume for referral. Request them, provide me referral, and location is Gurgaon, so please take the referral as soon as possible. 6 LP is the package. Minimum package 10-8 LP is the package for experienced candidate, because up to 1 year is eligible. Minimum is 6 LP for freshers, so please apply it as soon as possible. 25, 24, 23 batches eligible. Don't miss, don't apply manually. If you scroll down, you can easily apply manually, but I am telling you, take referral with updated resume. This will definitely give you direct interview opportunity. They will schedule your interview after referral successfully applied, so please apply it as soon as possible. Last but not the least, this is mega backend internship is going on. If you see, Google Doc form is still working. Java Spring Boot means full stack Java developer is required. If you don't have experience, you put no prior experience, immediate, and if you or scroll down, then you have to give your updated resume. Now who is eligible? Only fresher is eligible. 3 to 6 months of experience. Duration of an internship 20 to 40k, which is very huge bro. Please apply it. Java, Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, Postgre, Kafka, जितना दिख रहा है उतना पूरा मेंशन कर दो तो ज़्यादा बेटर है, because this is fully remote with 40k thousand per month. So please put all domain, even if you don't know, learn it later, but please update your resume, apply it as soon as possible. If you see here, prior internship in a similar role is preferred but not mandatory. Fully remote job is going on GenAI Drive collection platform. One suggestion I have to give you, that please put GenAI domain. Put basic in front of GenAI, but please put in resume. This will give you 100% shortlisting. So please apply it. Next stage is the company name, and you can easily grab this. Even if you don't know AWS, only basic is required. That's why I'm telling you, apply it and learn it later, but please apply it, because apply before it's also gone. apply कर लो इससे पहले ये भी क्लोज हो जाए, ठीक है। apply for this next पे EY analyst take referral, and इन स्टेप के लिए तो जो बताया वो ऐड करके जल्दी अप्लाई कर लो। एंड प्लीज अप्लाई फॉर दिस, क्या बोलते हैं, रूपिक। इफ यू सी हियर, दिस इज द रूपिक एलिवेट इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम। So please apply it as soon as possible. 6 month, 25,000 per month, which is this opportunity I already told you. So please apply it as soon as possible. This is the form. BE BTech MBA, BE BTech MBA plus, मतलब सिर्फ BE BTech या सिर्फ MBA में क्लिक कर सकते हो, प्लस BE BTech MBA कर सकते हो। And you have to click on this yes and put your any known language that I already told you, Python, Java, जो भी है, because these are IT bro। ये सारी जितनी भी है ना, ये सारी की सारी IT रोल्स हैं ये सारे, ठीक है। एनालिस्ट का भी आईटी रोल है, ये भी आईटी रोल है, प्योर आईटी रोल इज देयर। यू हैव टू फर्स्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे, अप्लाइड एज सून एज पॉसिबल, बट फर्स्ट रूपिक JD, here you will get to see the domain. So I am giving you this link, you can easily click on apply also and read the JD also. So please apply it as soon as possible for all 4 off campus mega hiring, and please go and watch this video. 18th January is your direct virtual interview. Don't have to go anywhere, there is no test, direct interview. Go and apply it. Blinkit work from home, 20,000 per month opportunity, 7 roles, mega hiring, quick hire just announced. Go and apply it यार, direct test hiring हो रही है। And please do comment if you have any query, and if you want a particular role opportunity for particular batch, then comment your batch, comment the role. I will search for that and give you the opportunity in the form of video. That's it. Thanks for watching.